Hi there, my name's Andrew Rowe from the Abingdon Chiropractic Clinic. In this video we're going to go over 2 exercises that you can do to help your hip mobility. Then if you've got time, we've got 3 more exercises that you can do to help to stretch the muscles around the hip. The hula hoop exercise is done with the feet apart, swiveling the hips around clockwise and then anti-clockwise. To get a bit more twisting movement in the hip, we're going to cross one ankle onto the other knee and then push the knee down and away from us. And then we're going to repeat the exercise on the other side. So those are nice, simple stretching exercises that you can do anytime at home. If you've got a bit more time, then it's worth doing a few simple stretches of the muscles around the hip. And we're going to start with the muscles that cross the front of the hip, the psoas muscles. To stretch the left psoas muscle, put the right foot forward, bending the knee, and swing your hips forward, and you'll feel the stretch in the front of your left hip. And then swap over, bringing your left foot forward and your right foot back, have the left knee bent, and swing your hips forward, and you'll feel the stretch in the right hip. To stretch the muscles at the back of the hip, the hamstrings, you're going to use a stool, putting your right foot on the stool, and then just leaning forward, and you'll feel the muscles down the back of the right leg. If you want to, you can bend the left knee a little and reach your right hand towards your right toes. And then swap over, putting your left foot up on the stool, lean forward, you'll feel your hamstring stretch in the back of the left leg. Lean forward if you want to, and bend the right knee to get a little bit of extra stretch. To stretch the muscles on the inside of the leg, bring your feet apart and shift your hips over to one side, and then repeat the exercise, bringing the feet apart and shifting the pelvis to the other side. As with all stretching exercises, some discomfort is to be expected. It's often what we call a good pain, and I think you probably know what I mean by that. If you get a bad pain, either in the muscle or in the hip area or in your back, then obviously you should stop doing the exercises and seek professional advice. Hopefully that'll help you to loosen things up around your hips. If you're not happy with how things are and want to get an opinion from us, then give the receptionist a ring on the number below. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch up with you in due course. Bye for now.